dear children. Today we are going to continue our lesson number 5, our body. So we are going to continue lesson number 5, our body. So previous class we learnt about how many systems? We learnt about nervous system, circulatory system and respiratory system. We learnt about 3 systems. So totally in this lesson we have 5 systems. What are they? Nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system and excretory system. So this class we are going to learn about digestive system and excretory system. Shall we move to the lesson, children? So last class we learned about nervous system. So nervous system is divided into central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. So the messages will be passed through the nerves to the brain and to the other parts of the body, isn't it? So that is called nervous system. So they will send and receive messages. So what happens around us and what happens inside us. Is it clear? The next one, circulatory system. So circulatory system includes the heart, blood vessels and blood. The heart pumps blood through blood vessels to different parts of the body. So here the heart pumps blood to the different parts of the body through blood vessels. Is it clear, children? Next one, in heart. So we said that place the palm on your heart on the left side of your chest. You will feel the rhythmic beating of your heart. The heart is an internal organ that is reddish brown in color. It is protected by the rib cage. It is roughly the size of your fist. The heart helps in the proper circulation and blood in our body. So here, the process of heart is impure blood from different parts of the body comes into the right chamber of the heart. The heart pumps this blood into the lungs. In the lungs, blood absorbs oxygen and the veins carry the impure blood from different parts of the body to the heart. This oxygen-rich blood from the lungs comes back to the left chamber of the heart and the pump to different parts of the body. The arteries carry the oxygen-rich blood from the heart to different parts of the body. The left and right chamber of the heart is separated into by a wall called septum. So the impure blood is being taken in and they are purified and the pure blood is again circulated in the body. So this is the process of heart. The next one what we learned is respiratory system. So respiratory system means the breathing. So it includes it deals with the breathing of the body. So here we said that these lungs is the important part in respiratory system. So here the nose, windpipe and lungs from the respiratory system. So they are included in the respiratory system. The lungs are situated on either sides of the heart. So here the lungs are situated in either sides of the heart. We breathe in air through our nose. The nose is connected to the windpipe. The windpipe is connected to the lungs. The process of taking in oxygen-rich air into lungs and giving out carbon-rich air is known as breathing. The process of breathing in air is called inhalation and the process of breathing out air is called exhalation. So when you breathe in, it is inhalation and when you breathe out, it is called exhalation. Is it clear, children? So the mechanism of breathing in humans, we learned that when we breathe in, inhale, the air enters the lungs, so the lungs expand, the diaphragm below the lungs contracts and flattens. The lungs absorbs oxygen from the air and sends it to different parts of the body through blood. The body uses this oxygen for various purposes and gives out carbon dioxide, which is brought by the blood to the lungs and released out. When we breathe out, exhale, the air is forced out in or of the lungs and so on the lungs contract and the diaphragm relaxes and moves up. So the mechanism when you breathe in and breathe out, the diaphragm will work in it. Is it clear, children? So this is your respiratory system. So last class we learned about 3 systems. So now we are going to move on to the next one. So next one, what is the next one? Your next one is digestive system. digestive system. The process by which food is broken down into simpler substances so that it can be taken in or absorbed by the body is called digestion. So here children, what they said, the process by which food is broken down into simpler substances so that it can be taken in or absorbed by the body is called digestion. So whatever we take in, it is not very tiny particles. They are very big, isn't it? So they are very big. So here the small, we are not going to eat a small tiny particle. We are eating a lot of food, isn't it? We will eat rice, we will drink milk, we will eat bananas, fruits, vegetables, everything, but it is very big one. So when you eat those, what happens here? These are to be chopped into small particles. So this work is being done by the stomach. This is done by this digestive system, and then the energy is passed or given to the different parts of our body. The various organs that work together and help in digestion from the digestive systems. So what are all the various parts which works in the digestive system? Shall we see it now? So here the stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver and anus constitute the digestive system. So here, what are all the organs? Yes, very good. Stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver and anus constitute the digestive system. So is it clear, children? So these are the organs which are included in the digestive system. So here now we are going to see about the process of digestion. So how the process is being done here? Process of digestion. So here, when we eat food and chew it with our teeth. So we all eat our food and we will chew it with our teeth, isn't it? Yes. So when we eat our food and we chew it with our teeth, the saliva present in our mouth mixes with the food. So we all know that there is a substance, there is a liquid form of substance which is called saliva is present in our mouth. Yes or no? Yes. So when you eat the food, when you eat or when you chew the food with your teeth, what happens? The saliva is mixed with the food. The saliva present in our mouth mixes with the food. Then what happens? From the mouth, the food mixed with saliva reaches the stomach through the food pipe. So now the food is chewed and now the food is not only chewed but it is also mixed with the saliva. So now it goes through the food pipe and it goes through the stomach. So now it reaches the stomach. Here from the stomach, so from the mouth, the food mixed with saliva reaches the stomach through the food pipe. So then in the stomach, the food mixes with the digestive juices. So here digestive juices means gastric juices. Here digestive juices are gastric juices and then passes into the small intestine. So here we said that the digestive juice are gastric juice which is created in our stomach and then passes into the small intestine. So when this food which is mixed with the saliva, when it goes to stomach and those food now is mixed with digestive juices which is called gastric juices and then passes into the small intestine. So after this process again it is going to another place. Where it goes? It goes to the small intestine. The small intestine is a 7-meter long coiled tube. So how many meters it is? 7 meter. It is 7-meter long coiled tube. Here the food is digested with the help of a juice called the bile produced in the liver. So what happens here? When the food it is added with saliva and then it is added with the gastric juice, now it goes to the small intestine and when it reaches the small intestine, here the food is digested with the help of a juice. Again now the food is digested with the help of a juice called the bile. So now it has been digested with the help of bile which produced by the liver. Which is produced by the liver. Is it clear, children? So now we will just see how it comes. We eat the food, we chew it with our teeth. So when you are going to chew it, the saliva mixes with the food and then it goes to the stomach with the help of a food pipe, and then when it goes to the stomach, gastric juices are mixed with it and then it is going to the small intestine. So here when it enters the small intestine, so the small intestine is 7-meter long coil tube, and here again now it has been digested with the help of a juice which is called bile produced by the liver. Is it clear, children? So from the small intestine, the nutrients from the digested food are absorbed by the blood and are taken to different parts of the body. So now we know that the food has been digested, and from the digested food, the nutrients from the digested food are absorbed by the blood. The blood will absorb the nutrients from the digested food and are taken to different parts of the body. So now they are taken to the different parts of the body. The next step, the undigested food. So we know that there are digested food. Everything what we eat is not healthy for our body. So the digested healthy food will be taken by your body, and then the undigested not healthy food. So the undigested food goes to the large intestine. So now the next travel has been started. So it goes to the large intestine where water is absorbed. Finally, the semi-solid undigested food passes through the rectum and is expelled from the body through the anus. So at last, where the undigested food goes to the undigested food goes to the large intestine, and that the water has been absorbed. So in that large intestine, the water has been absorbed, and the remaining is finally a semi-solid undigested food which passes through the rectum and is been expelled. It gets out from the body through the anus. So this is the digestive system process. This is the digestion process. Is it clear, children? So here we all have to follow these things which is given here because it is very healthy for us. Healthy eating habits. When you do this, nothing will be affecting you. If it is fever or cold, whatever it is, when your food is very healthy, it will not affect your body. Healthy eating habits lead to healthy digestion. So when you eat everything healthy, then your digestion will be simple and you will be getting lots of energy and nutrients. You must follow certain healthy habits to keep your digestive system working properly. So when I do everything in a simple manner, I am going to give you lots of homework. What happens? Your hand will pain. So in particular day, in one day I am going to give you 2 lessons or 3 lessons for writing. What happens? You will feel tired and you won't write it in a proper way. Same as well, when you give unhealthy food, when you are going to eat unhealthy food, so what happens? Your digestive system, the functioning of the digestive system will also weaken. So that's why you have to eat very healthy food. Healthy eating habit leads to healthy digestion. You must follow certain healthy habits to keep your digestive system working properly. So what are all the things they are following here? Always wash your hands before and after meal. So always you have to wash your hands before and after meals. Rinse your mouth well after eating. So after eating, wash your mouth. Rinse. You have to have some water and you have to rinse your mouth well. Eat 4 or 5 small meals daily. So you have to eat small 4 or 5 meals daily, but not unhealthy food, healthy food. Eat 4 to 5 small healthy food or healthy meal daily. Chew the food well. Do not swallow in hurry. So you should not rush up while you are eating. You have to chew it thoroughly. So you have to make those food into tiny particles. You have to chew them thoroughly and then you have to swallow the food. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. So every day you have to eat fruits and vegetables. This will provide your body with minerals, vitamins and roughage. So this will provide your body with Always wash your hands before and after meals. Rinse your mouth well after meals. Eat 4 to 5 small meals daily. Chew the food well. Do not swallow in hurry. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. This will provide your body with minerals, vitamins and roughage. Always eat a balanced diet. Eat clean, fresh and well cooked food. Ensure that the utensils used to cook and eat food are washed and dried properly. Is it clear, children? Children, the next one what we are going to see is excretory system. The process of getting rid of waste from the body is called excretion. So what are all the things which is waste in our body? We get rid of the waste. We send them out is called excretion. Is it clear? The excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. So it is consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Is it clear, children? Shall we see what is the process now? So here kidneys are reddish brown bean shaped organs. So they are reddish brown in color and they are bean shaped organs located behind the stomach. So it is located behind the stomach. Many waste materials are formed due to various activities carried out by our body. So what various activities? We have many waste things in our body and they are carried out, which are brought to the kidneys. So these will be brought to the kidneys by the blood. So by the blood they are being sent to the kidney. This kidneys filter the blood and removes the waste from it. So when it enters the kidney, the blood is having this waste. So now the kidney works and segregates blood and waste. The waste materials trickles off as urine through the pads of tubes called ureters into the muscular sac called the urinary bladder. So when it is being segregated as urine, so then this urine is being it comes through the tubes called ureters and into the muscular sac called urinary bladder. From the bladder, the urine is expelled from the body through urethra. So from this bladder, the urine has been expelled from the urethra. So this is clear, children. This is called excretory system. So this lesson is over here. What are all we learned in this lesson? We learned about all the systems, the interior organs, isn't it? Nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system and excretory system, isn't it? Are you all clear with this? Are you all clear, children? So shall we go on to today's lesson homework? Your assignment: write down the keywords, short answers and details in your classwork notebook. Complete worksheets 1 and 2. Worksheets 2 and 3, pages 100 and 101 in your textbook. Children, I have attached a PDF with this class. You can see the answers for these keywords, short answers, details and your 2 worksheets. Worksheet 2 and 3. Is it clear, children? Thank you.